Hey guys, good morning and welcome to our day 2 in Baguio. Good morning, Baguio. Ang lamig. Hey girl, gising na. Bumili ka na ng kape doon.
Hello everyone, it's my birthday!
Happy birthday, sis! And for our day 2 here in Baguio, just like every Catholic Filipino family, we are here at Baguio Cathedral. Okay guys, we're done sa Baguio Cathedral and papunta na kami sa Mines View Park. Nag-stop by lang kami sa Infinity. We are at Infinity. Hi, Mac! Happy birthday! Press kami damit. Look. Twinning! Guys, going to the Mines View Park, you have to look for the Dane's Bake Shop and beside no, nandun yung mga sakayan ng jeep going to Mines View. Hi guys, just a friendly travel reminder. When you are going places to travel or kung nagta-travel kayo, please do dispose your trash properly. May nakasabay kami sa jeep kanina. Tinapon niya yung kinakain niya outside the jeep's window. Ang linis ng highway. Pumunta ka sa place na malinis, might as well leave na malinis yung place without throwing any trash. Kasi Baguio is... Kasi yung Baguio, ang first thing dito is nature yung source nila ng attraction. So might as well know how to dispose your trash properly. Please. Anyway guys, we are already here at Mines View Park. So yeah, please do dispose your trash properly, please. So yun lang, that's my 2 cents as a traveler. My papa is a Smurf.
Hey!
Hey daw eh.
Pag nag-ngingiti si Papa, sabi niya, hey! May laging may sound eh. Ngingiti siya.
Basta guys, be a responsible traveler. Kasi if you can't be a responsible traveler, might as well not travel. Sobrang daming cute plants. Look. Yung Mines View Park, same lang siya as before, 4 years ago. Though ang daming... Mabili tayo ng gantong plant, oh. Ang ganda. Tsaka yung mga ganyang maliliit.
Rose cactus.
This is a everlasting flower. Tama, kulay violet yung sili. Ano to? Hybrid ng sili tsaka ng eggplant. Charot.
Korean.
Just kidding. Look at my papa. He's a living Smurf. Inaayos niya yung selfie stick niya. Ang hilig niya talaga mag-picture. Anyway, gato pa rin yung Mines View Park. What I love about Mines View Park, yung mga trees niya. And then, ang dami niyang souvenir shop. And then, baka mag-picture kami ng igorot something. Kawawa yung dog. Pinipilit mag-work. So, sama na tayo sa picture nila. Dito.
Lapit lang.
Guys, eto, kapag gusto nyo mag-picture na naka-igorot costume, it's only 25 pesos. Dito kila nanay. Ayan sila nanay yung nag-aano ng igorot costumes dito. Ang cute! Look guys, ganito yung kunin nyo. Para siyang medalyon. Ang cute. Hi, mama! Hello! That's my father. Hindi na siya Smurf. May mga tourist na nahirapan kasi kaming mag-picture as family. So may lumapit sa amin. Ang bait nila. Thank you guys. Ba't di nyo ako tinatawag pag nagpi-picture? Selos na mi. Another travel reminder. Huwag kayo mag-iiwan ng gamit nyo kung saan-saan. Don't be like my parents. Iniwan yung cardigan, yung bonnet ko. Wala na. Why?
Wow, there's a castle here.
How did God do this? Sobrang ganda. Guys, we are twinning. Look. Cutie. Sobrang extraordinary ng CR dito. Look. you have to actually sit. But I didn't sit there. So, naloka talaga ako sa banyo dito. Ganun pala yung banyo. Like, nasa lapag yung banyo. Sobrang nasa lapag. I have to change gawa ng may dalawa ko. Mayroon naman siyang toilet bowl na 12 pesos siya, hindi ko alam. Nakabayad na ako ng 5. So, yun. Nasa loob na ako, nalaman ko meron. Pero meron naman if hindi mo kaya umupo sa ganun sa mababa. So, guys, we are now going to Good Shepherd. So, from Mines View, lalakarin lang natin siya towards the Good Shepherd. And then, nandun yung mga ube jam na for pasalubong and all. Dito madaming pasalubong sa gilid towards the, going to Mines, Good Shepherd.
Ayun na, meron.
So, hindi na kami tumuloy sa may Good Shepherd kasi ang taas ng inaakyat. So, bababa na ulit kami. Mag-jeep ulit kami towards the Botanical Garden. And near Botanical Garden is Wright Park. From Mines View Park, guys, mas mauuna ang Wright Park sa right side. And then followed by Botanical Garden on the left side. So, babalik kami dun sa may tabi ng Mines View Park kasi nandun yung mga sakayan ng jeep. So, if magko-commute ka, may mga sakayan naman ng jeep here at Mines View Park. So, guys, ito yung The Mansion. Yan, that's the Mansion. And then, nandito yung Wright Park. Right here sa area to. Magkatapat lang sila, so you can actually just cross. We are currently walking at the Wright Park and sobrang ganda niya for Instagram, guys. As in, these pine trees are making justice sa photos. Ang ganda niya. And then, dito sa side na to ng Wright Park, nandiyan yung mga horses. But then, we prefer to go here because of our Instagram photos. And I will be just putting some of the Instagram shots that we got from here. Their Instagram-worthy place here at the Wright Park. Sa dulo lang to ng area na pinagpicture namin. And then, yung kapatid ko, dito, I'll be inserting some of the shots. So, dito na kami magla-lunch sa Rancho. Malapit lang siya sa Wright Park. Look, ang cute. Ang aesthetic. Wow! Ang aesthetic dito sa Rancho. Look. Ito, guys, yung menu dito sa Rancho Norte. Medyo affordable naman siya, especially for family. Ang in-order ko is beef tapa for 138, kay Maxine Bagnet, kay Mama ay sinigang na bangus. This is what I got, beef tapa. Si Papa ay sisig. Si Mama pakbet with bagnet. And then soup. And ito yung bagnet, guys. Parang ang sarap-sarap. Ooh, I got egg. Hey guys, we are done eating at Rancho and I can really suggest that place to you guys. Masarap siya. And for 4, naka 800 plus lang kami. And then that's individual meal plus merong sinigang. So, sobrang worth it niya. And then maganda rin yung mismong food, masarap. Ang dami niya ring serving.
And maganda din yung ambience.
And maganda rin yung ambience and place. And then guys, now we are walking towards Botanical Garden from Wright Park and the Mansion. Pwede ka nang maglakad pababa ng Botanical Garden. So guys, we're already here at Botanical Garden. Parang park lang din naman siya for pictures. Guys, we are now currently at the Pink Sisters Convent and Chapel. And all you need to do is to ride a jeep from across Botanical Gardens. Sakay na kayo ng kahit anong jeep. Ito yung mga church na bawal mag-ingay. Na as in, bawal mag-ingay. Ito sila. So guys, we are done inside the Pink Sisters Convent. Nag-pray lang. And fun fact guys, naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na kapag first time mo sa isang chapel or sa isang church, you have 3 wishes. So lagi kong ginagawa yon every time na bumibisita kami sa mga churches. Grabe yung fog. Ito yung village, papuntang Tamawan Village. Grabe yung fog, nasa bahay na nila. Hindi namin makita yung Tamawan Village. Nasaan siya? Yung totoo. Ito siya. Tamawan Village, Garden in the Sky. Ayan, adult is 60, students 40. Yan, makikita niyo naman guys. Dalawa yung way going up. So, kahit saan. So, hindi ko sinasuggest to kapag may mga kasama kayong elders. Kasi itong elders namin, ayaw na nila. Village siya. Malaking village na. Paikot. Ayan, may mga tao pala. Ang taas. Hanggang kabilang bundok pa daw to kung gusto mong akyatin. Pero it's your choice kung magstay ka na lang somewhere. Inside, may museum. This is the Ugnayan Gallery. Yan. Mga paintings. Ang ganda nito. Si Apo Wang Od. There. Ano siya? Textured paint. Hindi ka pwedeng humawak ng painting.
Sabi.
Bawal hawakan ng paintings.
Nakalagay doon, touch.
Sira ulo ka talaga. Ito, Bugnay Gallery. So, dito sa areang to, na parang kubo. Take off your shoes siya. Excuse me. Yan, may mga paintings. May mga bahay din dito, mga igorot house or iba't ibang kinds ng nipahat. Siguro punta kayo dito ng umaga. May bayad nga siya eh. Ay, hindi. Bahay siya.
Ng mga tao.
Ng tao. Parang pwede kang mag-hotel, parang ganun. Supposedly, may makikita tayo rito. Kaya lang, it's covered with fog. Wala ka makita. Medyo nawala ng fog. Ang galing. Guys, if you wish to go up pa, you can go up. And then, dalawang bundok daw tong Tamawan Village. So, more on trekking and hiking to. Hindi naman totally hiking, it's trekking talaga. So, if you wanna go here, go here. Pero always wear something comfortable. Kasi hita mo, it's slippery. And then, as in, gubat siya. Ano?
Sayang 60 and 40.
So, yun lang. I don't really suggest or recommend Tamawan Village. Pero okay lang for relaxation. Ang layo niya. Tapos ito lang yung makikita natin. Pero guys, Tamawan Village, sabi nila, has 7 nipahat na magre-represent ng Cordillera life. So, I think nasa pinakatuktok pa yun or malapit sa view deck 2. So, if you wanna go there, go there. Pero, ayoko na. Ang layo. Meron palang kubo somewhere. Hala, ang cute na. Ang creepy.
Ate, ganun yung mga mukha sa Bencab.
Ano yan? Alang? Alang, the Bontoc Rice Granary. Ah, naglalagay ng ano. Ang creepy. And now we are going back to city proper. To eat dinner or mag-iikot na lang din doon. Hey guys, so now we are back at the Burnham Park. Sobrang ganda mag-picture kasi parang medyo golden hour pa ang dating. Ang lamig na. Kain kami mamaya dun sa area kung saan may ihaw-ihaw. Nakita nyo ba yun kahapon sa vlog ko? Merong ihaw-ihaw dito. Hey guys! And that ends our day 2 here in Baguio. And today, tonight, nandito na kami ulit sa condo. And then, yeah. Birthday. Dahil birthday mo, happy birthday. And HBD. Dahil birthday niya, bumili kaming cake.
Cellphone ko doon.
Bumili kaming cake sa Goldilocks. Malit lang yung binili namin kasi kami na lang 4 yung kakain. So, yan.
Hindi siya mauubos.
Kuya, na nagbalot ng cake na to, kung nanonood ka, bakit walang kandila? Yun lang yung tanong ko, kuya. Sa dami na makakalimutan sa birthday cake, bakit walang kandila?
Gosh, ano?
Okay, birthday mo? Anong birthday wish mo? Mag-wish ka na lang
Sana
kunwari.
hindi natamarin si Ate Nika. Para di
Ano
ako
nga?
nahihirapan.
Ano nga wish mo?
Ewan ko, wala akong wish.
Ako, ang wish ko kay Maxine. Sana
Tapat mo nga.
sana wag ka lang magulat kapag lumilipat ako sa kama mo.
Sige, tapat mo ang mukha mo.
Sure, pero
Birthday
makakanta
to
lang.
you. Happy birthday to you. Anyway guys, kumain lang kami doon sa may ihaw-ihaw na pinakita ko sa inyo. Dan the vlog na nasa night market kami, may pinakita ko sa inyo in ihaw-ihaw place. Doon lang kami kumain. Papa, nakamagkano ka?
600.
Doon sa kinainan natin?
660.
For 4, naka 660 pesos kami for dinner. Ang in-order namin is inihaw na pusit. Inihaw na pusit, inihaw na janitor fish.
Hito.
Inihaw na hito, talong, barbecue, and papaitan. So, 5 na putahe yun, and then almost 4 na rice. For 660 pesos lang yun. So, that ends our day 2 here in Baguio. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. And I see you tomorrow on our day 3 here on Baguio. Bye guys! Thank you for watching. Bye!